Initially, let's focus on LinkedIn 5-day workshop. I would like to say something here. If you find this type of feedback that I'm gonna provide today anywhere over the internet, I will delete this video. Just let me know in the comment that this type of feedback is already available. I'm gonna delete the video. So because the reason is I'm gonna focusing on the terms and conditions section. Remember, this is the section which you come to know post you join the workshop, that these are the TNCs that you need to follow. But you guys are lucky, I'm gonna tell you everything about the workshop. First of all, this course is the best for all the beginners, whether you are trying to find job using LinkedIn, maybe to build a personal brand on LinkedIn, or maybe to generate leads on LinkedIn. This course is the best if you have just started out. Okay, let me tell you what all he gonna cover in the LinkedIn 5-day workshop so that you can make an informed decision whether you should proceed or not. Okay, so day one is basically understanding TG. Understand your TG, which means to identify who is your target audience. Instead of just getting connected with anyone on LinkedIn, make sure you are getting connected with your target audience. Day one. Okay, day two, now you know your TG. Day two is all about optimizing your LinkedIn profile based on your TG requirements. TG, target audience. Connecting with 5,000 people is very easy, but connecting with 500 relevant audience, neither it is easy, but it is very fruitful. How to do it? Day 3. Content game. Day 4, where Vaibhav shared the exact content structure which you need to follow to win the content engagement game. Need not to wait for day 4. Link is in the I section. Watch the video. I have shared the strategy of Vaibhav growing from 3 likes in 2013 to 45k plus like in 2020. How he did it? Link is in the I section in the description as well. Day 5, outbound game, where Vaibhav shared the exact strategy how you can make the other person reply to your message no matter what. This is gonna cover in day 5. Quick glimpse about the expense. 1 to 2 hours daily you need to spend. Rupees 500 for 5 days you need to spend. 11,000 LinkedIn mastery course. If you want something much more advanced, TNC alert, terms and condition. This is something you come to know post you join the workshop, but you guys are lucky. I'm gonna tell you everything around the TNC. First of all, follow the sequence. Make sure you're watching all the videos in the sequence he will be uploading. Otherwise, if you fail to follow day 1, then day 2 would be of no use. Let me tell you why. Day 1, understand who is your target audience. Day 2, optimize your profile based on your target audience. If you don't know who is your target audience, how you gonna optimize the profile? Second, stick to the schedule. Make sure to watch all the videos the same day he will be uploading them, because next day he hold Q&A session, that is question and answer, where he will discuss the doubt. If you did not follow the sequence strictly, then you may miss your doubt. Okay, now third is no download scope. This video will not get downloaded and also will remain on the portal for a time duration of 2 weeks only. Hence, follow the sequence, stick to the schedule is very much necessary, because you can't download those videos. Does not follow up emails. Make sure you are not providing your professional email ID to Vaibhav while signing up, because Vaibhav shared a lot of follow up emails, so that you should watch the video and such that you should not miss the video, and then you keep on asking Vaibhav to extend my course duration. No, this is not gonna happen. Make sure you are watching it everything on as per schedule. You are just a beginner. Yes, if you think that after watching LinkedIn 5-day workshop you will become a champ and start getting the similar type of engagement that Vaibhav is getting, no, that's not gonna happen. Vaibhav started his journey as a complete victor. Let me share an Excel sheet with you. Yes, so if you watch this Excel sheet carefully, there are 4 columns. One is post URL. These are all Vaibhav's post URLs. Then this is the like count that he gets on his post, comment, how many comment, and time when he posted. So this is basically the data of 2020. If we see his data when he just started, he started back in 2013, 7 years ago, and his performance is a complete newbie. If you see till 4 years, means till 2013, 14, in 15 no content, then in 16. So it took him 4 years to grow like this. Also, he was not very much consistent in terms of getting engagement until before 3 years, mean 2017. So if you think that after the 5-day workshop you will be a champ, this not be the case. It will take time. It will take time. Keep on experimenting, keep on doing the things which he will be discussing, and then one day you will be a champ. Okay, now the surprise time. I will provide a mix of LinkedIn and off campus job placement workshop. This is best for those who are trying to generate leads using LinkedIn, and ideal for those who are trying to get job using LinkedIn. I guarantee you will get 100% job using LinkedIn post you explore the workshop. As per the recent research by Vocabulous, only 2% of candidates receive interview call. Now, my aim is to bring your guys' name in that 2% list, irrespective of your college. Doesn't matter if you're not from IITs or NITs, you will crack the interview of companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Google if you follow the workshop carefully. You guys will have to agree with me on this that appearing in on campus drive is quite easy. Companies come to your college and you just have to attend the interview after you clear the aptitude round. But when it comes to off campus job, getting an interview call is very much hard. No matter how many applications you have filed, no matter how many companies you have approached, if you are not getting an interview call, all those efforts will go in vain. But that doesn't mean that doors to off campus job is that much hard. That's easy if you follow the if you follow the step by step guide that I am gonna share with you in my workshop, then the destination of getting a job would be easily met. Now let me share with you the course content that will be really helpful for you guys to get job using LinkedIn, generate leads using LinkedIn, and everything around LinkedIn. Okay, in the first section, we will cover identifying your talent and the respective target audience using LinkedIn. I have seen so many people on LinkedIn having n number of objectives to achieve, but when they try to achieve everything, they fail drastically. I will be sharing a formula with you guys how to identify your talent and how to identify your target audience to be successful in this LinkedIn journey. As a bonus, I am basically trying to invite a HR person from a company to basically guide students what's the white space that they have seen in students that they need to fill. So that's something we will discuss as well. Then we have 3 minutes LinkedIn profile optimization. Now you are clear with your talent and your target audience. This video will be very quick, where I will share a hack to create your LinkedIn profile in just 3 minutes using 3 hacks that I'm gonna deliver to you. In just 3 minutes, you will make a LinkedIn profile that is professional and ready to appear on the searches. Okay. 5,000 connections on LinkedIn is of no use if those are not relevant. I will share with you guys 5 unique ways to find authenticated connections based on your TG. Social selling, where I will be sharing the principle of 5C to boost your sales by 10x. And then my exact approach of getting an interview call the very next day when I submitted my job application is what we're gonna discuss in this section. I'm gonna share with you my exact company specific presentation, a cover letter that speaks, and then a video ATS enabled resume. Then top 4 hacks to find job on LinkedIn. If you are clear with your TG and your talent, then there are numerous ways to find jobs on LinkedIn using the hacks that I'm gonna share with you guys. LinkedIn automation. Everything on LinkedIn can be automated, no matter what. Connection, messages, maybe deleting connections from your LinkedIn account, or maybe uploading content on LinkedIn. Everything can be automated is what we're gonna discuss. Okay, now ROI. ROI is very simple. First, day 1, you will be able to unleash your hidden talent and get connected with your target audience. Day 2, recruiters will start approaching you post you optimize your profile. Day 3, post you have the knowledge, you basically get connected with people of your TG. You will start knowledge expansion because they're gonna share something relevant, you're gonna engage with them, you're gonna share something relevant, they're gonna engage with it. Earn employee referral. As per Glassdoor and Naukri.com recent survey, 55% of candidates receive interview call if they go via employer referral route. How to get it is what we're gonna discuss. Generate leads for your business. Social selling on LinkedIn is very much beneficial. I'm gonna share with you all the secrets and hacks. Within a week, HR will call you. Yes, that will happen. It may happen very next day that HR will call you after you follow the three weapons that I'm gonna discuss. Thousands of hidden jobs on LinkedIn. In 4 simple steps, I'm gonna share how to find all those jobs. Just you need to identify your talent and your TG. Then relax and focus on inbound leads because everything will be automated. You need not to do anything. Just focus on those person who are replying to you. Okay. So let's begin the kick ass game of LinkedIn and off campus job. Make sure you are liking this video, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to the channel so that you not miss the first video that is coming very soon. And that would be on unleashing the talent and finding your TG. Sayonara.